What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today we are going to make a stop at Target. So Target is a place where you can get groceries or clothes or appliances for your house, furniture, toys, a lot of different stuff. So I have a few things that I need to get. Well, only one thing. I need to get floss, just a pack, but let's see if we find anything else that we need. Here I have a shopping cart. You put all of your things that you're gonna buy. So if you're gonna buy something big, small, put it in there and you carry it with you throughout the mall or throughout the store. Let's go in. As you can see, there's a Starbucks in the store, but let's see. Here you see a lot of other carts, and here is the fruit section. So as you can see, there are a bunch of different fruits. Oranges, tangerines. Here are apples. As you can see, they have green ones, red ones. Here are the bananas, potatoes, onions, the different colors of onions, avocados, tomatoes. Here are the vegetables. So this is actually a refrigerator. So when you see the vegetables in a machine like this, it's because they need them to be cold. What else do we have here? Here we have specialty bread, so the different types of bread. Over here we have cookies, different types of cookies. You know, different desserts. Different desserts over here. And here you would have the cakes, cupcakes, anything that needs to be refrigerated, which is pretty cool. Donuts. And here you have the meat. We have fish over here, chicken over here, more chicken. This is ground turkey, beef. They have a lot of stuff here. Hot dog. So now I'm walking down the cereal aisle, and tell me, what's your guys' favorite cereal? They have a lot of different types of cereal and flavor here. I would say my favorite cereal is, wait, let me see if they have it. My favorite cereal is the Frosted Flakes. That's my favorite. Oh, and here they have different types of cakes that you could make. Chocolate cake, all of that. Pretty cool. Brownies. Granola, all of that. So as you can see, I found the area that has the floss. I think this is the floss I'm gonna get. Basically, the stuff that you put in between your teeth when you are done eating or before you brush your teeth. I ran out of that, so that's what I need. But let me see if there's different ones. Hold on. Are there different types? Oh yeah, there is. I think I may get this one. That one looks a little weak. I'll get this one. I like this one. So here they have baby clothes. So clothes for little humans. Little kids, babies. Here are the clothes for women. Women's section. As you can see, they have a lot of options. I'm gonna go over to the men's section and see if they have anything that I like. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So I'm not expecting anything, but if they have something, I'll take it. I'm actually wearing a t-shirt that I bought from here. They have nice quality black t-shirts and white t-shirts as well. So we'll see. As you can see, this is called underwear. Underwear. These are socks. Look, and these are the t-shirts that I normally get. So the ones that I'm wearing right now is, well, I mean, they're all the same. So this one, and it fits pretty good. It's pretty good. Do I look like that guy? A little bit. But yeah, let me see. What more can I show you guys in this store? They have a lot of things. Also, they have pants. So these are jeans, sweatpants. So these are like pants that are really soft. Jackets or hoodies. And let's see. This is the stuff that's on sale. Is there anything that looks good? That's cool. Jeans and pants. Jeans and pants. That's cool. Sunglasses. Belts. I actually need a belt. $15 belt. I don't need a belt that bad. So here, oh, I'm stuck. Here are pillows and sheets for your bed. It seems directed more towards kids though, I think. Oh, here are pillows. So the very squishy things that you lay your head on in your room. Pillows. A soft pillow. Here we have suitcases, so to pack your clothes when you're gonna go on vacation. Suitcases. Suitcase. I want to show you guys the electronics that they have here. So here they have the Beats headphones. Let me see. How do you think I would look with these on? Let's see. These are speakers. Speakers so you can play your music out loud. Television remotes. Television remotes. And these are printers to print out sheets of paper or to print out anything you want to copy from your computer and have it on a physical piece of paper. These are the cords, so extension cords, chargers, connectors. That's cool. Here are the phone cases to protect your phone, which is pretty cool. Oh, and here they have all the TVs. So all the TV stuff, they have it, which is cool. Oh, as you can see, they have the Nintendo Switch 2 and the games that goes along with it. Remote control. Well, these are video game controllers. That's cool. Here is the Oura rings. These rings are supposed to basically monitor your heart rate and stuff like that. So that's cool. Garmin watch. I have one just like that. These are amazing. And here are more games for the Nintendo Switch 2. I think you can play it. Let me see. It's saying, let's read what it says. Press any button to explore. Let's press. Oh yes. It lets you play it. It's letting me play. Wow.
They're always these are the cheapest.
Maybe next time I'll play it for you guys. Maybe next time. I'm really good at video games. Oh, and here's another one you could play. I think you could play it. I'm not sure. Oh yes, you could play it. That's cool. And here are the PlayStation 5 games for PlayStation 5. Here are some toys. Here are some books. All of the books. Here are books for children. Here we have soda. Some of the different sodas here. And here we have chips. We call these chips. So all of these are different kinds of chips. Different kinds of chips, which are cool. Look at all of the different flavors of ice cream that they have. It's a bunch. Oh, look at this. That is interesting. And some frozen food as well, which is pretty cool. Still ice cream. So here is where we check out to pay. So I'm gonna take my item. Scan it. And then I have to press pay, skip it. And I'm gonna go ahead and pay with my phone. And then you get your receipt. So now that I got what I needed, I am happy. If you guys enjoyed this video, learned any new words, or saw anything new that you haven't seen before, or just in general enjoyed taking this walk with me in Target, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.